The Client tab is where we will view, edit, or add clients. To access it, we will click Client, and you'll see here on the left-hand side, you can either show active clients or you can uncheck this box and show inactive clients. For the purposes of this video, we will show active clients. You have two methods of finding the clients that are active here. You can either scroll up and down through your list here, or you can type a client name into your search bar. For this example, we're going to look at client 1. Once you click on client 1, it's going to pull up the client's information here as far as name, description, phone number, email, when they're active and when they'll no longer be active, all the pertinent information here, right? So you can make edits to the client information here and hit Save Client, and that will change your client information. To add a new client, you will click this button below your client list that says New Client. And you get the same fields, however, they are all blank, and that will allow you to input your new client information.